Hi, my name is Anthony McCarthy, Products Manager with the EPS Group. I would like to talk to you today about the Multiboost Slimline range. With the Multiboost range, we feel we have a tank for every application. Here we have the Slimline option, which is two tanks made up of a 200 litre storage capacity and a 300 litre storage capacity. It is designed to go through doorways of under 600 millimetres, which makes it very universal for many applications where access is a problem. We have two levels in this. We have our Vario level with this controller here, and we also have our premium level here with our pressure vessel attached. Both these options have the same high quality of components, and both of these are made from rust-proof material. And so with the entry level and the premium level, we feel we have a solution for every application where space is an issue. For further information on sizings and capacities, please go to multiboost.ie, where all information will be available.